Veterinarians aren't just animal caretakers. They're part of the public health ecosystem. A healthy relationship with an animal can improve human well-being, mental health, emotional health, social health, and even physical health. Remind me what this little girl's name is. I'm Dr. Mike McFarland. I'm the Chief Medical Officer at Zoetis. Don't be scared. Well, I grew up in the military, and so I spent most of my younger years living all over the U.S. The first time I had the chance to walk into a horse barn, I was just a kid. I was completely transfixed. Everything about it felt like home to me. I knew at that moment that horses were going to be a part of my life for the rest of my life. My first horse was a sorrel quarter horse named Kachina that my dad and I trained together. She was a precocious little filly at 14 and a half hands tall, and I really loved that horse. The horses basically evolved with mankind, so we've been bonded for thousands of years. So, horses and dogs both. That's why the bonds between people and their dogs and people and their horses are so strong, is because it's evolution. I was constantly thinking about, what do I want to be when I grow up? That love of horses eventually led to this idea of becoming a veterinarian. That's it. It's like a bolt of lightning. From that point on, I knew that's what I was going to do. When most people think of their veterinarian, they think of that kindly man or woman who is the caretaker of their pet's health and well-being. But the stakes are much higher than that. What most people don't realize about veterinarians is they're a critical part of the public health equation. How much more important now is the veterinarian? And they're helping to keep your family healthy, not just your dog. As you broaden the aperture a little bit and you start to talk about livestock, veterinarians are the center of care for all different kinds of livestock, keeping these animals healthy and ensuring that the protein that we're providing families is also safe and healthy to eat. It would be a next-tier goal to help the world better appreciate everything that veterinarians do to contribute to public well-being. Veterinarians aren't just keepers, managers, protectors of animal health and well-being. They're an important part of your family's health, your community's health, our global public health. I'm on a journey to visit with veterinarians and animal care workers from all over the world to understand how they make our world better through animals.